Good morning to our beautiful people. I'm always like to greet all our subscriber and our the people that are watching our channel. Like good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Anyway, you're watching this film because we have the time different in every part of the country. So the time zone is different. I'm always like to greet all our viewers and subscribers like that. So I always say that good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Complete Flawless Natural Skincare YouTube channel where we talk about our products and we give you some tips, And I want to use this opportunity to thank every one of you there that are subscribing to our channel. Thank you for subscribing to our Complete Flawless Natural Skincare YouTube channel. You guys rock. Thank you so much. And if you feel this is the first time you are watching our channel, kindly please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and put on the notification bell so you're going to be notified anytime we upload any of our lovely video. And I think about a week ago or 2 weeks, I think 2 weeks ago, if it's not up to that, I uploaded a video of that I want to show to us how I make that video, how I extract that fruit, which is the best fruit juice you can extract for a glowing skin and also have a health benefits. But unfortunately, I'm very sorry that I cannot upload that video. I cannot make that video now because I didn't get one of the ingredients I used to make that fruits extra. I didn't get it in my area, and I don't want to walk. I don't want to go far. Because just want to keep saving the house. Don't want to be walking around. So, but I promise. But guys, that if I promise I'm going to upload a video, you guys know that I'm going to surely upload that video. So don't worry, I'm going to upload that. I'm going to fulfill my promise of uploading that video to show you how I extract that juice. It's a very good juice. I'm going to show you. So I just said that, okay, this morning as I wake up now, since I've not been able to make that video, which I'm going to do soon. So I just want to share with us, like some supplements, especially what is going around the world now for the issue of the COVID-19. I pray every one of us will be safe out there, and after this, we're all going to come out stronger and better by the name of God. And anyone you believe in, Allah or anyone, so we are going to come out beautifully and stronger with this, and it's not going to claim any of our lives or our loved ones. And to everyone out there that lost their loved ones to this COVID-19, God is going to be with you. God, we give you the gratitude to hold this, to it's only God I can just be with you now. We are sending love and healing to the whole world. So without not wasting much of your time this morning, I just decided to share with you this, because now we are not talking about, okay, we should be taking fresh fruits now. We should include all these fruits in our dietary, and those are the supplements that even if all our Complete Flawless Natural Skincare clients, we always advise them to take it, because not only that you are applying a lightening lotion, a whitening lotion on your skin. I will discuss this about my last video in my channel, that you need to take care of your skin internally. You have to take all these supplements, so it even help you boost your immune system as well. So I don't joke with this, and all our Complete Flawless clients, we always advise them to take it. So I'm going to share it's 1 or 2, 3 of it with you guys. It's part of the tips that we always promise to share with you, especially now. You will all need it. Taking your fresh fruit, your vegetables is very important now. So I'll just share this with you guys, so stay tuned to this. Thank you. So guys, those are the supplements that I am talking about. Like these supplements, trust me, I don't joke with all these supplements, because I believe not only just applying a lightening cream or whitening cream on your skin, you need to take care of your skin internally, especially now that's going around now that we need to boost our immune system. This is vitamin C 1000 mg. I don't joke with this, guys. If you can see it, it's almost finished. Yeah, I don't joke with this. But now, if you cannot lay your hands on this, you can just get this from any beauty or any drugstore in your area, your community. Especially now we need this. This is the one you can dissolve in the water. So this one is vitamin C, and it has zinc also. And if you can see, it's also 1000 mg. You can see with 15 mg zinc. Yeah, if you cannot, that means if you cannot lay your hands on this, just try to get this. And this is the frozen collagen, guys. I can't do without this. This is really good. It's really good. So all these are Thailand products. These are Thailand products. Yes, I do advise all our Complete Flawless customers to get this. So I do take this and this, and this is Evening Primus oil. It's very good. Also 1000 mg, guys. It's very good. You need to check out this. I do take this. This the only new in it is this, because I do give my 10 years old son this. Yeah, so we do take this because he cannot swallow this, so I do include this. Yes, so if you cannot lay your, I'm just showing you the difference. If you cannot lay your hands on this, you can just get this, and this is good for children as well. Just dissolve in a glass of water with them and give it to them. So I do take vitamin E as well, but now I'm out of vitamins. I do take vitamin E, sorry, and I'm out of vitamin E. So this Evening Primus oil is very good. This is on a high strength as well, 1000 mg, guys. So these are the nice supplements that you can be taking for having a glowing skin with tea. Don't forget that these two are the same thing, but I'm just showing you in case you cannot lay your hands on this, you just go for this. Okay, guys, so I hope this my little tips help someone out there. Love you guys, and please keep up safe. Okay, till I see you in my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.